Oh wow, sound is amazing. So much bass out of this. The sound is extremely clear and crisp, and the bass is crazy for this small form factor. Got the new drip from Edifier. This is the MS50A speaker. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. Yeah, now let's check it out. So here we have the box. We have the front right here. We have this side. We have the back with all sorts of specs, details and information. And we also have this side. On top we have this. Also there is a little note. Fun fact, this means European standard. And the bottom is blank. A few more details. We have this. Then we also have this. And on this side we have all the features and also the model and all of that good stuff. So let's open it up. So on top we have the cable for the outlet and for the speaker. Good length, around 2 meters. Then we have a bit of padding right here. And here we have the speaker. So let's get it out carefully. And then, as you can see, the last thing inside of the box is all the paperwork. So let's unwrap it. And here we go. So let's go through the accessories. You already took a look at this cable. So all that's left is the paperwork, no other accessories. So first of all, we have the safety precautions. So there are basically these two pages. Check it out right here, all the safety tips. And here we have the manual. Yeah, multi-language. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10. And the next is already France. And so here we have it. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then to a close overview. So here we have it. I love this wood look. And it's super heavy. Up here we have this wrap for protection, feeling really, really nice. So all the way around we have this wood body, and up here we have the control panel surface. Okay, let's take a close look. So on the front we have this mesh, this fabric, looking beautiful, and this silver bar right here. Also, all the way around the body is chamfered, looking really nice. As I said, the body all around has this wood finish, dark brown wood, looking amazing. Back and the other side. On the bottom we have 5 rubber feet, and also this is where you plug in the power adapter. Well, just the cable actually, and in here we also have more information and more specs. And down here is where the cable comes out to demonstrate. Just like this. And on top we have the brand, and we also have this control surface, this control panel. This is touch, and then we also have this power button right here. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Good stuff. Now let me tell you all about the specs and the features. This is a Wi-Fi streaming and Bluetooth 5.0 speaker system. You can pair up to 2 speakers to enjoy stereo sound. It is also compatible with multi-room grouping. Also, it is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple AirPlay, and also Spotify. We have a room-filling sound with the powerful integrated 2-way speaker. The wooden enclosure is made out of MDF. There's a very stable wood, and that's great for the sound quality. And the finish is classic walnut. The RMS power rating is 40 watts. And speaking about the power output, we have a mid-bass and a treble unit, mid-bass 25 watts and treble 15 watts. And the frequency response is from 52 Hz all the way up to 18 kHz. And for audio inputs we have Wi-Fi and we have Bluetooth. And the power supply, it's of course integrated, you just need to plug in the cable. So pretty awesome speaker. So here I have the cable. Let's plug it in, this time for real. So there we have it. And now this will light up, oh hi, looking for a Bluetooth connection I suppose. But before we get to it, let's download the Edifier Home app. Let's see, Edifier Home, here we have it. Publisher is Edifier International. We have 3 apps, Edifier Home, here we go, let's install it. So let's open it up, let's give it all the permissions. Let's go for the network connection, Bluetooth and location, of course, here we go. Let's add a device and MS50A, here we have it. And now it will walk us through the setup. One click Bluetooth and another click. 1, 2, 3.
Now in setup mode.
Oh,
follow the instructions in your device's companion app.
Oh, okay, so press and hold until it will actually speak to you. And here we already have it. Let's set up the Wi-Fi. So here we go, connecting to Wi-Fi.
The Wi-Fi password is incorrect. Please try again.
That is awesome. It will actually speak to you. And yeah, apparently I messed up. Noob mistake. Okay, so here we go.
Connected to Wi-Fi. Your Alexa device is ready.
Done. Here we go. So now if we click on it, down here we can set the volume. Play, pause, we can set the input, add to pair, yeah, we can add a second speaker, and let's check out the settings. We can see the Wi-Fi, the signal strength, also the user manual, that is awesome. And the Amazon account is already linked, and also down here we can do the factory reset. And as we can see, the speaker also supports Spotify. Simple and easy setup, very intuitive. Not bad, right? And now let's go for a sound test. For this test I want to use Bluetooth, so one tap, it will switch to Bluetooth. So let's connect to it. Here we have it, MS50A. Let's pair it up. And here we go. Yes, sir. We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Oh, that is so awesome. I love the volume control. Oh, wow. Sound is amazing. So much bass out of this. Wow, that is crazy. But let's go for a proper sound test. So here we go. We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We're reaching for the stars. We're making this. So as you heard, the sound is extremely clear and crisp, and the bass is crazy for this small form factor. Only one mic in this test because the build is a closed case, so the sound is created only on this side, so one mic is enough. But yeah, I'm really surprised by the strong bass. It's awesome. Yeah, and lastly, check this. Alexa, turn on Chloe.
Starting to clean.
That's my vacuum. Alexa, turn off Chloe. Just awesome, so easy, so intuitive. I love it. 10 out of 10. Edifier has become one of my favorite brands lately. They just keep on delivering products that are super affordable, but still with outstanding build and sound quality. This is just great all in all, definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. This is of course also available on Amazon and sites alike. If you're interested, I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.